Hi everybody, it's Sue and I have another video for you today. So today's video is definitely going to be different because I'm here. We're going to be vlogging today and today is my day off, so I wanted to just take y'all along and show you what I do on not really my average day off, because on my days off I just stay home and do chores, watch TV, whatever. But today I'm actually going to be having lunch at the cultural center, and it's really nice outside, so I wanted to go outside to have lunch, and then I want to go inside the cultural center because I never really explored there before and see what that's about. So I'm gonna take you along with me if that's cool with you. Hello, and I'm back. So I just came from the museum. I didn't record in there because recording wasn't allowed, so I wasn't gonna, do that. But it was super cool. It was big. There was a lot of walking to do. Now I'm outside just having lunch. My pickle juice spilled all over my fucking napkin. I thought I was so prepared. Like, I had my tablecloth, my sandwich, my pickle, my cookie. I brought a little plastic baggie to put everything in when I'm done. And my freaking napkin's swirled with pickle juice. That lunch was so damn anticlimactic. That sandwich did not hit at all. I don't know what. I don't think I put enough like sauce in it or something. It was like dry. My water was good. I'm trying to figure out what to do now because my feet hurt already. My feet hurt and I'm kind of tired. But I don't necessarily want to go home right now. But if I don't go home, then I'm gonna have to walk to places or walk around, and I'm just like, oh, my feet though. God, I am so disappointed in that sandwich. And the thing is, I'm trying to like not go out to eat or anything, and save money, make food at home, things like that. I'm trying to lose weight, so like I'm not trying to drink alcohol right now or go out to eat too much. And it's like, what are you supposed to do if you're not doing that? I went through the entire museum in less than an hour. And it's like, okay, so I already ate, even though it was disappointing. I am not gonna go out to like another, restaurant or anything right now. I'm not gonna go get a drink right now. So what am I supposed to do? I think I will get coffee later. I'm still kind of full right now, so I would like some coffee later, but I'm about to take a nap on this bench. I'm tired. That's probably because I need coffee. I didn't have any coffee this morning. Oh, such a sad sight. Well, my day off is still going really nicely. I don't have to do anything. 11 o'clock. I've been home for a while. I ended up just sitting at the table at bench for a while, just trying to get myself together. And then I finally got up. I went to, there was an aquarium there. I went to the aquarium and I walked around there. There's a botanical garden. I walked around there. That was really fun. It was nice. And then I just like took the bus and went back home. And then when I got back home, I was so freaking tired. I freaking just put on my house dress. This is my house dress. And then I passed out for a while. And then after that, I did some like, what is it called? I just did some work on the computer for, you know, for work and my website and things like that. But I'm just looking back at that footage, like, I was just so disappointed. Like, food is such a big deal to me. Like, I cannot be eating food that I don't like. Like, I was so upset about my sandwich being, it just didn't taste good anymore. Or it just didn't taste that great. But today was a good day. I think I'm about to, oh God, my fucking neighbors. I don't know, like, is that a band playing over there? Or like, I don't know, y'all could probably hear the music where there's like a mariachi band or something playing outside. I swear, every night, dude. Okay, anyway, so yeah, that was my day off today. It was definitely eventful. And I saw some new things in my, you know, neighborhood, so I'm happy about that. And did some work, got some work done, so I'm happy about that. And then I'm off to work tomorrow, just like normal. So, yeah, thank you for watching. I'll try to come on here more often and show my face and stuff, because I'm sure y'all want to see like the face behind the nails and stuff too. So I'll try to do that more often. And yeah, I will see you next one. Bye!